make masala chicken, I'll be using garlic 1 tablespoon, ginger 1 tablespoon, 2 onions which have been sliced, 2 tomatoes cut small, chicken 800 grams, only meat, no bone, then chicken masala and fish masala. And the spices are curry leaves, cinnamon stick and star anise. Let's begin. We need a bit extra oil for this because when we cook the curry powder, we want to get rid of the raw taste of the curry powder. So put a bit of extra oil when you're making chicken masala, because we won't be putting water unless it is very dry. Then we will put little bit of water. Anise, cinnamon and the curry leaves. Roast this for a while. After that, we'll put in the onion, the garlic, ginger first, garlic 1 tablespoon, so we will saute this onion, garlic and ginger. We will also add in the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll add in, now the tomatoes are soft, we'll add in chicken curry powder. Will be 2 spoons of chicken curry powder, 1 spoon of fish curry powder. You mix it well and let the curry powder cook. Now the curry powder has cooked well. You can see all coming out. So now we add in the chicken. We let the chicken cook. While the chicken is cooking, we keep on stirring so that it doesn't burn and all that. So this chicken masala is really nice to eat with chapati, and it's a very simple recipe. The reason I combine fish curry powder with chicken curry powder, it gives you a better flavor. To give more flavor to the chicken, we'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee. chicken masala is ready now. It's already cooked. I'll dish out in the bowl. You can see the oil is coming out. That means it's well cooked. So do try this recipe. It's a very simple recipe. I didn't put not many spices, because it's an easy recipe. Do comment how you find the chicken masala. Thank you for now. We'll catch up for the next video.